Hi guys, welcome to my channel and today I'm doing an Onam makeup look. So let's start with lip prep. I'm using a tinted lip balm on my lips and slightly concealing my dark spots and under eyes. Here I have already moisturized my skin and I'm using the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Full Wear Concealer in the shade 317. I'm using the Tau brush, makeup brush to blend the concealer and the base is done. For blush, I'm using the e.l.f. tint in the shade Pink Positive. It is a very sheer blush, so I'm building it up and now I'm using Maybelline Hypercurl mascara on my lashes and my eyebrows. As you can see, the mascara is really nice. It lengthens, it gives color to the lashes and eyebrows, and I am really in love with the look. Here you can clearly see the difference, and it is super affordable too. I have just applied my contact lenses, just brushing through the eyebrows with a spoolie. Moving on to the lips, using the same e.l.f. lip tint and layering it up. It's a very pretty color, it's very lightweight and long lasting. My favorite part is doing the eye makeup. For this look, I am going to use the Urban Decay Naked palette. I'm starting with a soft matte brown through the crease, then deepening the outer corner with a slightly darker brown. And I'm using a BH Cosmetics fluffy brush to do all the blending. Now I'm taking another fluffy brush to mix everything together and to make everything softer. Now the confusion is to pick a shimmer shade. So I'm thinking a golden shade or a champagne shade, and ended up with a champagne shade. And I'm playing it with the finger, which gives much better pigment payoff in the inner corner and the middle of the lid. Blending again and moving on to the other eye. Here also doing the same brown eyeshadow on the crease and shimmer in the middle of the lid. Really loving the look right now. Let's move on to the eyeliner part. First we have to tight line, and I'm using the brush kajal and Maybelline Colossal eyeliner. Okay, looking good. Let's do the lower lash line. Same brown eyeshadow with a smaller brush. For highlighter, I'm using the Fay Beauty Mirror Glaze Glass Balm Illuminator in the shade Lunar. I love this product because it gives beautiful glossy glow without making the skin look overly glittery, and it is such a unique formula, guys. Now the makeup is done and I've just did my hair using a Dyson Airwrap and I've applied my bindi. Now everything has come together and I just love the look. It's simple, it's elegant. Now moving on to the jewelry part. I picked up red glass bangles for the look. First I'm trying on this choker, which I liked, but then again I changed it to this ilakatali and its matching studs. Then I decided I should go with the larger jhumka, and I liked it, but then again I thought I should do a jhumka alone. And that's it, guys, that's my look. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Bye.